I'm going to get the rest of these things changed, get that cap and rotor changed. You guys don't need to see that. If you don't know how to do it and you're looking for a tutorial, there are 2 channels on YouTube, on all of YouTube, that will show you how to change plugs and wires. One of them, Wrenching with Ray. Most of his stuff has coil packs, but I'm sure somewhere in there he does show you how to do it. The other, Build Season. He's a turbo guy, but he works on old stuff, so I'm sure you'll see it there too. Those are the other 2 channels on all of the internet that have ever changed spark plugs and wires and cap and rotor. So look them up and go through all of their videos. Make sure you got to watch them all to find it. So it might take you a minute. Hope you got time. Oh yeah, before I forget, while I'm not talking to you guys, I'm listening to Big Mike. Big Mike has a YouTube channel that's not going to come up. Because I turned it the wrong way. Called, you don't want to focus. It's called Wandering Iron anyway. Anyway, yeah, cool guy. You'll like him.